What's up, everyone? I'm Jeff Teague, salesperson with Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh, and your complete car buying resource. With me today is my friend, the 2020 Corolla L model. The reason I'm showing it is, in this market, in the compact market, a lot of companies are getting out of the market. Well, it's hard to find a reliable vehicle that's going to go forever, loaded with safety, loaded with technology for around $20,000. I think I have a candidate here. I'm going to show you why the 2020 Corolla L is going to make you happier than Happy Gilmore in a hockey fight. I hate that, Bob Barker. Now with this video, I'm going to do something a little bit different. Normally I do a long, very detailed, involved, full review. I'm going to give the talking points, the quick bullet points, so that you can see what's so special about this car. Let's go. The best thing Toyota engineers could have done is not ignore the entry level here, the L model. It has LED headlights, LED daytime running lights. Check the Corolla competitors to see if they have that at their entry level. It also has Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. Check the competitors, make sure they have all of these at their entry level here. It's got pre-collision system with pedestrian detection during the daytime. During the nighttime, bicycle detection during the daytime. Road tracing assist, which keeps you centered in your lane even on curves. It's got road sign assist. It picks up stop signs, do not enter, yield signs, speed limit signs. It even tells you when you're speeding. It's got full range radar cruise control, which will slow you down to a speed of 0 if you're following cars up to a stoplight. Automatic high beam switches between high beams and low beams. At night, it's perfect for subdivision and country roads at night. And then also it's got lane departure alert with steering assist. And the nice thing is this one activates at 32 miles an hour. Our friend the Civic activates at 45 miles an hour. Wouldn't you want something watching whether you go out of your lane or not because you're distracted or sleepy at lower speeds like in the city as opposed to just 45 and up? Corolla profile, sleek, aerodynamic, stylish. It has 15-inch wheels with steel wheel covers, power mirrors, does not have heated mirrors. If you want heated mirrors, go to the LE model and up. Has a window cutout here for excellent visibility for all trim levels. I keep saying that, but everything on the Corolla, you can see out of the front quarter panel with very little blind spot at all. Very thin A-pillar here, excellent visibility here. It does have the key to turn and open. It does not have remote keyless entry with the trunk opener. That's the LE model, or you can ask my dealership to add that as an accessory. Gas tank, 13.2 gallons, and then this has front and rear disc brakes for extra stopping ability. The rear of the car comes with LED taillights, backup camera, has single exhaust here with a silver metal tip here. Then it's got a very large trunk space. Let's see if we can get a view here. Nice and deep and wide, so you can fit all that extra cargo. The seats fold down in a 60-40 split. And then the spare tire here. Look at that soundproofing here. That's one reason why the Corolla is so quiet. It's noticeably quieter from last year's model. And then you get a spare tire. It's 15 inches. It's temporary, but it's not a donut. Engine performance. In the 2019, you would expect to see 132 horsepower. This is the 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine in the 2020. It bumps up 7 more horsepower, so 139 horsepower, 126 foot-pounds of torque. It's a CVT transmission. There is no hood blanket here. I think we all noticed that. And then it has a prop rod here, suspension. It's really good. It's McPherson struts in the front, and then multi-link rear suspension, so it's very smooth, comfortable riding, except for when you need it to be more precise on country roads and mountain roads. Just like that. Excellent gliding, very smooth, nice and quiet. You're gonna like it. Hey guys, what's up? Hey fellas, come back. I'm gonna show you the Highlander. Maybe the RAV? 4Runner, last chance. Let's get a look-see in the back seat here. It's a two-tone. This is the ash interior. So it's ash, which is a light gray, combined with the darker gray. Very nice accent, good legroom, good headroom in the car as well. Now the L model does not have an armrest that comes down, just so you know. It has places for car seats all along the side here so that you can clip in the middle and either one of the sides. Now this one here has double USB port, but it's only because it was added as an option at the regional port. You can also ask your dealership if they're good enough, like mine, they will add that after the fact as well so people can plug in and charge. Very nice, refreshed, modern design in the Corolla for 2020. Look at that knockout window here. So with a thin A-pillar, it gives you great visibility, eliminates blind spots, which we can all appreciate with all the distractions we got going on while we're driving now. So the interior, it's fresh, it's open, it's combined with a lighter and a darker gray, along with metallic accents. Notice the audio system. This is a 7-inch touchscreen. A lot of competitors in this class have 5- and 6-inch touchscreens. That's a big deal. It's gonna have Bluetooth, streaming music, Siri Eyes Free, voice commands, and then you can see all the steering wheel controls here, nice and easy to avoid distraction while you're driving. Here's a look at the interior here. Again, fresh, open, modern. It has a pump on the side of the seat so you can raise and lower your seat for shorter or taller people. Automatic high beams. That's a big benefit. I use it on my Camry all the time, folks. Then you've got controls for radar cruise control, lane departure alert. This is how you turn on the cruise control. Bluetooth on and off, voice commands, it's got it all. Then you can go across this multi-information display right here. So you can set your lane tracing assist, pre-collision system, road sign assist, digital speed. So cool. Inside the console here, we've got a 12-volt circular port so you can plug things in to charge. Nice deep cup holders here. It does have, even at the base level here, it's got electronic parking brake and brake hold, so that holds you at a traffic light or a stop sign. You can take your foot off the brake to rest. Turn traction control on and off, that's right there. This one right here, it has the knobs that control your heat and the fan speed. If you go up to the next level, Ellie, it will have the automatic climate control with digital buttons. And then the 7-inch audio here. This does have Apple CarPlay and Alexa enabled commands, even at the base level. What? Holla. Regular rear view mirror, just so you know. Then we've got vanity mirrors, they're not lighted. And then even at the L model here, it has standard safety connect to protect you in case of an accident or if your vehicle gets stolen. And also you can do Wi-Fi connect, so you can set up through Verizon a hotspot in your vehicle. What do you guys think? This car just has a couple options on it here. Corolla L, made in Japan. Classic silver metallic, yo. Combined gas mileage of 33, 30 in the city, 38 in the highway. Standard equipment on the left. Then it just has a couple options here. It's got carpeted floor mats, and then it's got a cable charging package along with 2 different USB ports. And then you can expect to see this at your dealer for $20,900. Great value, loaded with equipment. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Yeah, I'm out.
If you're in North Carolina, call Jeff Teague.
You're crazy.